What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make guides on Steam or how to make Steam guides. So first, you need to install the Steam application by going to the official website of Steam. From there, you can install the Steam's official application. And after that, after installing the application, you need to log in or sign up with your account. And after that, when you have logged in or signed in, this is what the dashboard of the application will look like. From here on the left side, hover to the library section and then click on home. Here you will find all your games. Choose the game that you want to create a guide for, and after clicking on that game, you will see the option of guides. Click on this guides option and then a new window will appear of guide. From there on the right side, you will see this button of create guide. Click on that and then the create guide page will open. From here, you need to first enter the title for your guide, and after that, you need to select a branding image from your computer storage, and after that you need to select the language and describe your guide, and when you are done, simply click on save, and this is how you can add your guides to Steam. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.